Hi there! It's me again, your curious fairy. Today we're going to build a big and amazing diorama. On one side, we'll place mighty dinosaurs from the past, and on the other, wild animals from today's world. Imagine a fierce T-Rex is roaring here, and a sneaky wolf is hiding over there. We'll learn what they eat, how they behave, and why they're so fascinating. Let's get started! Let's build a big and awesome diorama. On one side, we'll have giant ancient reptiles, dinosaurs that lived on our planet millions of years ago. On the other side, there will be a lush green forest filled with all kinds of modern animals from around the world. We'll use red and green sand to create the base for a volcanic valley from the Jurassic period. Now we're creating a prehistoric ocean where giant marine reptiles will swim. Now we're going to create a lush green forest with giant trees, fragrant colorful flowers, and tall ferns. And we'll decorate the dinosaurs' home with a huge volcano, rocks, palm trees, and volcanic plates. And our awesome, one-of-a-kind diorama is ready! Now we can invite the dinosaurs and wild animals to explore their new home. Plesiosaurs. Plesiosaurs were marine reptiles with long necks, small heads, and strong flippers. They lived in oceans during the time of the dinosaurs, hunting fish and squid. These carnivores likely ambushed prey with quick bursts of speed. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex was one of the largest land predators ever. With strong jaws and sharp teeth, it hunted other dinosaurs or scavenged their remains. This carnivore lived in forests and plains of North America about 68 million years ago. Dimetrodon! Dimetrodon was not a dinosaur but a prehistoric predator that lived before them. It had a large sail on its back, likely used to regulate body temperature. This carnivore hunted amphibians and reptiles in swamps and river valleys. Shastosaurus! Shastosaurus was one of the largest marine reptiles ever. Unlike most ichthyosaurs, it likely had no teeth and fed by suction, eating soft-bodied prey. This gentle giant lived in ancient oceans during the late Triassic period. Allosaurus! Allosaurus was a fierce carnivorous dinosaur with sharp teeth and claws. It hunted in groups and may have targeted large prey like stegosaurs. This predator lived in North America around 150 million years ago during the late Jurassic. Brachiosaurus! Brachiosaurus was a huge herbivorous dinosaur with long legs and a long neck, allowing it to reach high tree leaves. Unlike many others, its front legs were longer than the back. It lived in North America about 150 million years ago. Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus was a massive marine reptile and top predator of the seas. With a long body, powerful jaws, and flippers, it hunted fish, squid, and even other marine reptiles. It lived in warm oceans around 70 million years ago. Oviraptor! Oviraptor was a small feathered dinosaur with a beak and a crest. It lived in deserts of Mongolia and was once thought to steal eggs, but scientists now believe it cared for its own. This omnivore ate plants, eggs, and small animals. Pteranodon! Pteranodon was a large flying reptile with a wingspan over 6 meters and a long crest on its head. It lived near oceans and likely soared high over the sea to catch fish. Though it could fly, it was not a dinosaur but a prehistoric pterosaur. Styracosaurus! Styracosaurus was a horned herbivorous dinosaur with a large frill and 6 long spikes on its neck. It lived in herds and peacefully grazed on low plants in what is now North America. Its horns likely helped in defense and display. Rebecosaurus! Rebecosaurus was a long-necked herbivorous dinosaur with a sail-like ridge on its back. It lived in what is now Africa and fed on high and low plants. This gentle giant likely used its neck to reach tall trees and communicate with others. Elephant. Elephants are known for their great memory and emotional intelligence. They form strong family bonds and can recognize themselves in mirrors. These herbivores live in savannas and forests and show empathy, even mourning their dead. Tiger. Tigers are powerful carnivores with striped fur that helps them blend into dense forests and grasslands. They hunt alone, mostly at night, stalking prey like deer and wild boar. Tigers are strong swimmers and carefully mark large territories. Peacock! Peacocks are known for their bright, colorful tail feathers, which they fan out in a dazzling display to attract mates. These omnivorous birds live in forests and grasslands, eating seeds, insects, and small creatures. Only males have the long, showy tails. Yak! Yaks are shaggy-haired herbivores that live in cold mountain regions like the Himalayas. They are strong animals used by humans for carrying loads, milk, and wool. Their thick fur keeps them warm, and they graze on grass, herbs, and shrubs. Camel! Camels are desert herbivores known for their humps, which store fat for long journeys. They can survive days without water and handle extreme heat. With long legs and thick eyelashes, they travel across sand and eat dry plants and thorny bushes. Tortoise. Tortoises are land-dwelling herbivores with hard shells that protect them from predators. They move slowly but can live for over 100 years. Found in warm regions, they eat grass, leaves, and fruit, and spend much of their time basking in the sun. Wolf! Wolves are social carnivores that live and hunt in packs. They communicate with howls, body language, and scent. Wolves chase prey like deer over long distances and live in forests, tundras, and mountains. Each pack has a strong social structure. Marmots. Marmots are large ground squirrels that live in burrows in mountains and meadows. These herbivores hibernate for months to survive the cold. They use loud whistles to warn others of danger and live in social family groups. Caracal. Caracals are medium-sized wildcats known for their long tufted ears and powerful legs. They live in savannas, deserts, and scrublands, hunting birds and small mammals. These carnivores can leap high into the air to catch prey in flight. Baboon! Baboons are intelligent primates that live in large troops across Africa. They are omnivores, eating fruits, seeds, insects, and small animals. With strong jaws and sharp teeth, they use vocalizations and gestures to communicate and defend their group. The California king snake. The California king snake is a non-venomous constrictor known for its bold black and white or brown and cream bands. It lives in deserts, forests, and grasslands. This carnivore eats rodents, birds, lizards, and even other snakes, including rattlesnakes. Owl. Owls are nocturnal birds of prey with excellent night vision and silent flight. They use their sharp talons and strong beaks to hunt small mammals, insects, and birds. Found worldwide, owls turn their heads far to scan surroundings without moving their bodies. Orangutan. Orangutans are intelligent apes that live in the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra. They spend most of their time in trees, using long arms to swing from branch to branch. These omnivores eat fruit, leaves, and insects, and form close bonds with their young. Cockatoo. Cockatoos are social and intelligent parrots known for their expressive crests and loud calls. They live in forests and woodlands, mostly in Australia and nearby islands. These omnivores eat seeds, fruit, insects, and can mimic human speech. And our amazing diorama is complete! You did a fantastic job, such a curious and clever explorer! Now you know more about dinosaurs and modern animals who are herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. Thanks for joining me, and see you in the next magical adventure! If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any magical adventures.